In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bills and payments in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a bill, enter the right details, and save it so it's ready for payment. Start by opening your browser and going to books.zoho.com, then sign into the correct organization. If you manage multiple organizations, confirm you're in the right one before you proceed, because bills are saved to the active organization and use its base currency and settings. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click Purchases. This is the hub for your payables. From there, select bills to view your existing bills and create new ones. You'll see a list of bills by status along with filters and search, which is helpful when you're reconciling at month end. Next, click New to start a fresh bill. This opens the bill creation form. Here's where accuracy really matters, because what you enter will affect your reports, vendor balances, and taxes. Begin by choosing the vendor. If the vendor profile already exists, select it so their currency, payment terms, and tax preferences populate automatically. Enter the bill number exactly as it appears on the vendor's invoice to avoid duplicates. Set the bill date and due date. Due date is typically driven by payment terms, but you can adjust it to match the invoice. Now add your bill details. If you track items, select the appropriate item, quantity, rate, and tax. If you expense directly to accounts, choose the correct expense category and add a short description. Use separate lines for different accounts or tax treatments to keep your general ledger clean. If the expense is billable to a customer or tied to a project, tag it so it will be available for rebilling later. Add shipping or other charges in their designated fields rather than folding them into line rates, and include a note in the memo field for context, such as the service period. Finally, attach a copy of the vendor invoice so your audit trail is complete. When everything looks right and the totals match the vendor's document, click Save. This action preserves the bill and lets you review it before it impacts your payables aging. To make it active and ready for payment, click Save as Open. In many layouts, this is available from the Save drop-down. Choosing Open changes the status from draft to open, which means it will appear in your payables list and aging reports, and it's ready for payment processing when you're ready to settle it. That's it. You've navigated to Zoho Books, opened purchases, selected bills, created a new bill, entered accurate details, saved it, and marked it open so it's queued for payment at the right time.